This is Museigatan 31. There's only one staircase and it's a KONE built in 1969, H17959. 50 years old this year in 2019. But the bottom panel has been changed. 3 persons or 4 grams. Nothing special. You can actually detect the stairs too. Yeah. As it went all the way to the first floor. Today it's the 2nd of September 2019. This building dates back to 1926. And Museigatan 33, staircase A and B have very beautiful KONE elevators from 1927, I think, modernized with evergreen fixtures in 2000 and a gate. So, yeah. Still take a ride. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2020. I'll probably not take any pictures of this. But yeah, turning 50 years old this year, and it's still original, just button panel changed. And I don't think this actually it really doesn't fit in here in this kind of very old residential building, beautiful old one. So this was a bit of a disappointment actually. That's it.